So, it's somewhat surprising that Hezbollah would rely on pagers, knowing that Israel has a history going back decades of being able to detonate electronic devices. Ironically, there were reports in the media not that long ago that Hezbollah essentially broadcast to the world that they were downgrading from cell phones to pagers in order to prevent Israeli intelligence from tracking people using the GPS capabilities. It is important to keep in mind that nearly 3 decades ago, Israel managed to assassinate the main designer of bombs for Hamas. His name was Yahya Ayash. He was known by the moniker the engineer because of those skills. And he was killed when his cell phone exploded, apparently because a small amount of explosives had been put in the device and were detonated by a remote control from an airplane flying over Gaza, listening in to make sure it was his voice on the phone at the time that it was detonated.
Hezbollah.
我进阿波罗来讲的话，在过去3年的部分，有跟 BAC 这个公司建立长期的贴牌的一些授权，它区域有代理合作的关系，也有合作协议的关系，所以基本上来讲的话，我公司的部分来讲，我有卖它的，就是用那个商标授权给他哦，所以这个产品不是阿波罗的该有的产品，是我授权给他们贴牌的一个产品。
I think the greatest achievement here is the confusion that it created among Hezbollah, the psychological damage among Hezbollah, and the fact that somebody can cause that much of a damage without even invading into Lebanon.